To perform correctly, the Honeywell sensor requires a pull-up resistor and a filter capacitor. To ensure a reliable connection for these, some simple soldering is required. Remove the housing from the yellow wire of the 20 cm quick cable female jumper by flipping up the small locking tab. Repeat the process with the red and black wires. The blue jumper is not used and can be snipped off if desired. Fan out the legs of a Honeywell SS451A bipolar Hall effect sensor. Take a 1000 ohm resistor and bend the legs as shown. Then align it with the sensor so that the top of the resistor is in line with the bottom of the straight section of the sensor legs, 2 mm below the sensor body. Snip the resistor legs so that they are level with the bottom of the sensor legs. Next, bend the legs of a 0.1 microfarad capacitor as shown. Then snip them so that they fit under the resistor. Insert the right leg of the sensor and one leg of the resistor into the female end of the yellow jumper and then solder the joint. The resistor should be behind the sensor from this view. Insert the middle leg of the sensor and one leg of the capacitor into the female end of the black jumper and then solder the joint. Use a pick or other sharp object to expand the female connector of the red jumper wire a little. Insert the 3 remaining legs into the female end of the red jumper and then solder the joint.